Hello, this is John Claydon from Claydons.biz, Contracts, Claims and Disputes. This short slidecast is to introduce a few points on the subject of contract administration. The contract administrator is frequently regarded as the poor relation of the management team. He is, however, fundamental to the good practice of claims. Bluntly put, if the contract administration is poor, any claim is likely to be equally poor. A good sound claim demands good sound contract administration. We will talk later in detail about managing the contract. The CEPC contract 0223 manage the contract. For now, suffice it to say that if the necessary foundations, notices, correspondence, minutes, reports, etc. have not been put in place, the later claim writer will be faced with a far more onerous task. Indeed, in the absence of notices, for example, it may be found that the claim fails completely. The key to sound practice, of course, is the right person in the right place at the right time. That person should be able to identify, record, and notify all relevant events and ensure that both parties comply with all the procedures as they are laid down in the contract. Some basic tasks and a few starter tips. From the contract, list all occurrences of the words company shall and contractor shall. Track them, follow them, and ensure compliance. Similarly, from the contract, list all occurrences of give notice, whether that notice has to be given by the contractor or the company. Log, track, and ensure compliance. Keep the correspondence up to date and always have the last letter on file. Take the view that you're writing not to the owner today, but to a third party, adjudicator or arbitrator, perhaps 4 years in the future. The monthly progress reports, MPR, are probably the first document any third-party adjudicator will read. They are far more important than might be thought when, at the end of the month, there is the usual rush to prepare and submit something, anything. They should be accurate. Remember too that this is the contractor's report to the owner. It is not the owner's site team reporting to the owner's head office management. The owner's site teams may object to a contractor's comments about delayed review, for example. They may seek to suppress such observations. Resist. The contractor cannot later say, we were delayed by an event in month X, when the report for that month makes no mention of the event. Some risk management with basic tasks. Decrease the risk of time bar by giving notice for delays, changes, etc. in good time. Maintain logs for all correspondence and ensure that no subject is left open. And as I said before, always have the last letter on file. Maintain logs for each and every relevant event. Maintain logs for all bonds and guarantees, both up and down. Ensure they're maintained current and all claims are lodged in good time. Similarly, maintain logs for all insurance policies up and down. Ensure they're maintained current and that all claims are lodged in good time. Please feel free to add comments or suggestions for topics below. Any questions I will answer as soon as possible. And lastly, thank you very much for watching.